think I've given every ounce of love, I'm gonna love you just a little bit more. Come on closer, baby, lie here by my side. I gotta keep on holding you. Let me ease your aching shoulders the way I always used to do. Look into my eyes and flash me that smile, the one that lights my whole world on. And let me loosen up your long hair, 'cause we're staying up till the morning sun. When your body's finally done with me and I'm stretched out flat upon the floor, when you think I've given every ounce of love, I'm gonna love you just a little bit more. Got a couple things I've been keeping inside, and you know exactly where my head's been. I guess I finally learned my lessons. Now it's time for us to start again. So if you're feeling good and you're ready for me, you know that I'm more than ready for you. We better get this fire started, 'cause we got a lifetime still to burn through. When your body's finally done with me and I'm stretched out flat upon the floor, when you think I've given every ounce of love, I'm gonna love you just a little bit more. When your body's finally done with me and I'm stretched out flat upon the floor, when you think I've given every ounce of love, I'm gonna love you just a